Got a new paint project coming up and want to get it done as quickly and easily as possible? Today I'll show you on a wall and a fence how much faster you can work with a paint sprayer compared to a roller and brush. Let's start with applying paint to a wall. First, the edges and corners need to be pre-painted with a brush. Then, the inner area is finished with the roller. This requires constantly reloading with paint. Now we'll use a paint sprayer for the same area. This eliminates the tedious pre-painting of corners and edges, and you can just start spraying. The constant refilling is also gone thanks to the integrated paint container. A new coat of wall paint is done quickly and comfortably with a sprayer, without the hassle of pre-painting edges and corners, and thanks to the integrated paint container. When painting or staining, the time advantage is usually even greater. Anyone who has ever painted a fence knows how tedious it is to paint every single slat with a brush. When spraying, the paint is applied evenly, even on angles and edges. The surfaces are also sprayed quickly as the paint comes from the integrated paint tank. With brushing, some areas are hard to reach, and we have to constantly reload and distribute material. The paint sprayer brings a significant time saving when painting. Angles and hard-to-reach areas that can barely be reached with a brush are covered in record time with the spray jet. Both painting and wall coating are done much faster with a sprayer, especially on large surfaces or angled objects. Give it a try and just spray it.